Union of India versus Sakal Chand Seth. Supreme Court held that consultation means full and effective consultation. It does not mean the concurrency, and the President is not to such consultation. SP Gupta versus Union of India, also known as first judge's case or judge's transfer case, in Supreme Court agreed with the opinion of Sakal Chand's case. This means that executive has supremacy in appointment of the judges. Supreme Court advocates on record association versus Union of India 1993, also known as second judge case. Supreme Court overruled the decision of SP Gupta case. The court held that in the matter of appointment of the judges of the Supreme Court, the High Court and the Chief Justice of India should have primacy. Re-presidential reference AIR 1999, also known as third judge case. Supreme Court held that consultation process to be adopted by Chief Justice of India required to consultation and plurality of judges. Supreme Court advocate on record association versus Union of India 2015. Supreme Court declared that both the 99 constitutional amendment as well as NJAC Act 2014 the unconstitutional and void. Consequently, the collegium system became operative again. Kerala Education Bill AIR 1958. Supreme Court has held that court is not bound to answer and reference made to it by the President. Rajeshwar Singh versus Subhatra Rao Sahara. Supreme Court held that jurisdiction of the Supreme Court under Article 129 is independent of the provision of Contempt of Court Act 1971. Delhi Judicial Service Association versus State of Gujarat. Supreme Court held that under Article 129 of the Supreme Court has power to punish the person for contempt of itself as well as subordinate. Bengali Immunity versus State of Bihar AIR 1955. Supreme Court held that Supreme Court can defeat from its previous decision. The expression all court within the territory of India means all the court except the Supreme Court. Therefore, Supreme Court is not by its decision in the proper case it may receive it. State of Jharkhand versus Surendra Kumar Srivastava AIR 2019. Writ petition under Article 227 challenging the judicial officer is maintainable, but not under the Article 226. Supreme Court reiterated the writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, seeking writ of the certiorari against the judicial order passed by the civil court is not maintainable. Rajendra Diwan versus Pradeep Kumar Ranibal. Supreme Court held that state legislature cannot enact law which affect judicial jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Anil Kumar versus Union of India and others. 2019. Supreme Court observed that no authority can claim privilege not to comply with its judgment. Rupa Ashok Khurra versus Ashok Khurra 2002. Security petition and our Supreme Court inherent power can be filled, seeking review of the decision which has become final after the dismissal of review petition under Article 137.